One cool autumn morning, Emma, a kind and honest university student, was walking to the library through a quiet park. The fresh air felt peaceful, and colorful leaves covered the ground. As she passed an old wooden bench, she noticed a black leather wallet lying beside it. Emma picked up the wallet and looked around, hoping someone would come back for it. When no one appeared, she carefully opened it to look for the owner's information. Inside, she found an ID card, several bank cards, a large amount of cash, and a family photograph. Looking at the smiling family in the photo, Emma thought, this wallet must be very important to someone. She knew the owner was probably worried, so she decided to return it as quickly as possible. After searching online, Emma found the address of the owner's office. It was nearly 30 minutes away, but she didn't mind the trip. She wanted to do the right thing. When Emma arrived, she gave the wallet to the receptionist and explained what had happened. A few moments later, a worried businessman named Mr. Robert Wilson rushed into the room with an anxious expression on his face. Mr. Wilson opened the wallet and checked everything carefully. The money, cards, and family photo were all there. A smile of relief spread across his face as he thanked Emma again and again. "I thought I had lost everything," he said. "Thank you for being so honest. Not everyone would have returned this wallet." Mr. Wilson offered Emma a generous reward, but she politely refused. She smiled and replied, "The wallet wasn't mine, so I couldn't keep anything from it. Helping someone is already enough for me." Before leaving, Emma said, "If you really want to thank me, promise that you will help another person whenever you get the chance." Mr. Wilson nodded and promised that he would never forget her kindness. A few weeks later, Emma received an unexpected email from Mr. Wilson. He owned a successful publishing company and had been impressed by her honesty. He invited her to join his company as a paid intern. Emma accepted the offer with excitement. She worked hard every day, learned valuable skills, and earned the respect of everyone in the office. Her confidence grew with every new challenge. After graduating from university, Mr. Wilson offered Emma a full-time job. As she signed the contract, she remembered the day she found the lost wallet. One honest decision had completely changed her future. From that day forward, Emma believed that honesty is one of the greatest qualities a person can have. Money may disappear, but trust, kindness, and a good reputation can open doors to opportunities that last a lifetime. Moral: honesty always finds its reward, even when you least expect it.